It's a new dawn. A new era is about to start. The Lynk & Co Cyan racing team is up for the new challenge. It's a new race format, a new car, new tires. Pretty much everything is a first for the team, and they are forced to come up to speed quickly.
This weekend we enter in a new format of touring car racing.
We're going to meet a lot of different teams and drivers all around the world. South America, China, Australia, here in Europe. That's going to be a great challenge for us, and we're really looking forward to it.
Before we were only fighting with World Tour driver or TCR driver, so we get to know each other very well. Now it will be a bit different because all the drivers, we don't really know how aggressive they are, how smooth they are on track.
This year we have the new car, the Lynk & Co 03 TCR. So basically it's an upgrade to what we have on the past. The competition is super high, so we need to be very concentrated on being smart every single weekend to score points.
We have done quite a lot already in the pre-season testing, but there's still a lot of things to learn.
And we're entering, folks at home, a new era. And we are about to go racing. I don't know about you, but I've been waiting all winter for this moment. Hairs standing up on the back of my arm as we are going to go motor racing for the first time this season. And we are going for 2023 here in TCR Europe. The cars fan out trying to find a little bit of racing space on the tarmac. Nova Michelis currently holds the lead, but Ascarar up the inside. Does he have room? No, he does not. The 20 other cars behind, all squabbling. One of the Lynk & Co's out on the dirty stuff too. Who is that one that we see with a little bit of damage? That is number 112, so that is Santiago Arruti there.
Unfortunately, we had a race incident between me and Santi, between T1 and 2. He was fighting with the Audi, and I wanted to take an advantage of the situation, but they were quite close to each other. That caused his retirement of the race, so it's quite a shame. The fact it was two blue cars was not really good.
I was hit, right on the steering wheel, so my steering racket was broken, so I could not drive anymore. Normally in touring car you can have one of those crashes and nothing happened, but if you hit on the wheel, just on the steering wheel, when it's hard like this, you broke it. So
we have a bit the same winning mentality, not a bit, a lot I would say. For us the situation is clear. We need to have a good relationship between both of us because we are here to make Cyan and Lynk & Co champion at the end of the year.
Race 1 is in the bag, and as predicted, it was challenging for the team. This is racing, and if things doesn't turn out the way you planned, you have to find new ways. Maybe a cup of tea is what's needed to get things back on track.
Welcome to my Cyan Racing private lunch. Quite mandatory for me to drink the tea just to keep me awake. Hello! Hello! Here is my servant. So come on, bring me the cup. Yeah.
this is gonna make me I think I'm worried about,
This can give you the power.
Yeah, exactly. That's all I need.
Now we have BOP 97.5% of the power, and you're gonna have 100% now.
So remember, always drink Chinese tea to get the 100%.
Yes.
It's on the camera, okay? If I win every race now for the rest of the season, I'm gonna have a Chinese tea before the race.
Go.
I can feel the power now.
Immediately, Bang!
From P1 now, come on.
We are ready to go. The green flag at the back of the field is being waved. Look at the lights at the top of your screen. They will come on one by one. When they extinguish, we will be going racing. 3 lights, 4, 5 lights, and we are go for TCR Europe 2023 round 2 here at Portugal. Routier straight to the inside to defend the line from a hungry Kobe Powell's. Contact with Nesta Girolami. Powell's to the outside in contact. Kobe Powell's back on the racetrack. Hard contact with one of the Elantra cars. That is a massive hit. And there is Powell's, absolutely distraught. A drama filled and a safety car filled second race at TCR Europe. But looking to the front of the field, Santiago Urrutia through the final corner, hard on the gas, takes the checkered flag and takes victory in round 2.
Congrats all the team for the win. It's a 1-2 in the new model, so yeah, super happy. We have a lot of work to do. We haven't had the pace today. I think the safety car helped us a little bit. But yeah, today we have to celebrate and focus on the next one. First weekend, 1 and 2. Keep going.
A fantastic end for the weekend here in Portimao. First race, first time with the new car. To finish P1 and P2, you know, it's such a great feeling. We managed to put it together today. So many small bits that plays in to get the result like we did. But it's the hard work before and the determination of the team that gets the result in the end.
We don't have the pace to fight for more. Tire is different, so car for sure is different. In races, when you want to overtake someone, it's in a braking and a corner. But before a braking and a corner, there is a straight. So if we are slow there, we have absolutely no chance to make an overtake.
The team experienced a tough start of the season, but managed to finish strong. It looks promising for the future, but to get all new things into place, there is still lots of work to be done. There is tension in the team. Is there a rivalry cooking behind the scene between two young guns, Jan and Santi? Or is it just racing? See you in Belgium.